Let's start filming now.
Okay, ready?
Yep, it's on.
Set. Do you want to do it here or over here? Ready? Okay. Okay, this is really funny. Watch this. There he goes. Wait, I'm gonna hold him here for a second. Like, throw myself off the cliff.
Every time he thinks that Rufio's looking at him, he just freaks out.
Dive bomb.
Oh no.
Come here, you can't do that. I don't want you to run away.
Uh-oh.
He's like, dive bomb. Oh, no, not off the sleeve.
Oh, freak out. No.
Where'd he go? Haha.
Ignore. Rufio couldn't really care less.
Oops. Oh, it's a little head. Oops, I'm sorry about that. That's my mother. He's sniffing his butt.
Run away.
He totally jumped. Did you see that? He jumped from like here and he went poof and he landed on there.
Yeah.
Did you see that? Did you film that? Did you see that?
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
Aww.
He's so innocent. He would never hurt you, Tornado.
Yeah. He thinks he's being attacked.
I'm being attacked by a ruthless monster. Ah! This is Tornado.
Yep.
Say hi.
Hey, Tornado.
He's the one with the stroke. This is Rufio, the big fat one. Watch this. Watch. Okay, ready? Let's see if he can do it.
He's scared of him.
Ready?
You're scared of your own dad?
Yeah. He's like...
Every time he thinks that Rufio's looking at him, he freaks out and runs away.
One time, like the first time we did this, she's dead.
What she done?
Yeah, on the way home. Anyways, she was like, they were like this.
Can I borrow this?
Molly's